login with a simple JSON comparison. We're gonna make a saving of the data that we have. We're going to make a comparison, and we're going to make the login depending on the result of the comparison that we got. Also, we're going to use the sessions of JavaScript to save the session of the user, and after that we're going to ensure that if the user leaves the navigator, then he will have to log in again. As simple as that. The sessions on JavaScript is the topic that is going to be kind of the most difficult here. So we're gonna look for the sessions in JavaScript, and it is called session storage. I have used it very often, being honest, before. For example, it is like this: session storage set item username, and then you can read the username. What we're going to use is exactly this. Let's do it. Let's go to GitHub. Let's minimize this here. Here goes cool down. Let's go here. We're gonna put simply, okay. And let's see, where was I left this project the last time. I don't know if I made the formulary to the login, but I think that I did it. If no, it's not gonna be complicated. Okay, we haven't done it yet, the formulary to the login. It's kind of convenient, being honest. So nothing to worry about. Let's go to the index here. You can see that the last change that I did was just a line of code that I erased here. Let's close it. Let's go here and put, for example, login.html. And you see, for example, this function here that I placed the last time. Let's place it. That is going to be the function that we're going to use here in the new instance that we will have of HTML and our login. Okay. Login. And on here, I'm going to place this. Sorry, script type text or Java. Now I'm gonna paste this, and you see the URL here. We're gonna make the comparison depending the URL. After that, we're going to get the response, and here in the response, we're gonna make the comparison. And we need a formulary here, which will ask to us the login, the username, and the password. As simple as that. Let's go here and copy the CDN and also the main style that we usually use. Just place it, can be up here, and that's it. And let's see, login, that's it. Let's create now the formulary. Go here. Let's place here the form. let's just place a login here, user login, sorry. And here let's say that this is going to be the password, but let's change this password in the fourth, and type also password ID password as well. Sorry. Let's go here and change this also to username. Just like username. And you see this here, it needs to be clean. And password, login, password, and here in the bottom submit, type submit. By the way, this is not going to look super nice I mean, just at a glance, just at the very first time, but let's hit on run it to see it. You will see that now it is here. We have to make it, I mean, we have to give it a format. So let's look for the formulary in JavaScript with um, um, what is the name of this? Tailwind. Okay. And here is the structure of the formulary with Tailwind. Okay. Let's just copy this here. This is the MB4. The MB4 is just to give like an space. And let's copy this and place it on here. Let's go here, save again. And let's go to the class here, this class, and copy and paste. Let me see if I am missing something. No, I am not. It looks weird because it is blue. I mean, this part here, you see that it got blue and it didn't change, but it is because, let's say that it's because it's running. So let's just close this for the moment. And you see the input also needs like a styling. Okay, copy this and paste on it. Okay, now let's go to the go live again. You can see, for example, that the user login looks kind of better. I mean, it's not that it took like a super better looking or something like that, but at least is. Now let's go to here. You see the class here? No, it's not this one. It's this one. Okay, let's go here to. There you go. BYW full max. Blah, 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 blah. In the body here, let's give this style also to the body. As I told you before, it will not look like super nice at the beginning. What I'm saying is this. I mean, the code. The code is kind of twisted, to be honest. So don't get worried about it at the beginning. It may look weird at the beginning. So let's just copy this class again here and paste it in. And in the input, the same thing. And we're finished with this, okay? And let's, as you can see, now it has user login and password. And let's give a style to the button. It's just this one, for example. You might be asking, Reynald, how do you know that those styles are valid? It's because first I know the styles that I am copying and pasting, and second, many people are using the help of the artificial intelligence. So if I use it once, it should not be like a great deal, you know, should not be a problem. Let's put a margin top here by our own code, empty, we say 6 for example, space, and that should give an space to the submit button, and also a cursor pointer just to finish. Cursor pointer in Tailwind CSS. Let's see how is it, how can we put that? Oh, it's just as simple as saying cursor pointer, just as I said. I was expecting something like that, but I needed to confirm, and that's it. You can see now that it works, and we can place just to finish like a title on here, H2 formulary login. In the next video, we're going to make the send of the data, because this took me more than what was expected. And let's just place on here test class test black, for example, 500. Okay, that was as simple as that, but it didn't want to work. Let's just go here and say text in CSS style, and there you go, text black. Let's just define it as test black. Okay, it should change the text now. Apparently it changed, but I wanted uppercase. No, say font bold, just like that. Yes. You can see that it was working. MB4. That's it. That's it. Let's leave it just like that. I think that is kind of test align center. We can place it. Anyway, let's leave it there. In the next video, we're gonna make the comparison of the user that we have and the password on JSON server, but on another instance. What I'm saying is that we're gonna create another object to make the comparison. And this is a formulary appearance. As you can see, I used some of the classes to the title on here. So if you need me for anything else, just let me know. And remember that Jesus Christ of Nazareth loves you much more than a board, for example, or a string from a guitar. Bye bye.